Hi, I'm Miss Annie from the Sheldon Public Library, and I am here with the STEM take-home kit we have this month. It is a catapult kit, so you can pick up one at the library, or you can call and we can set it outside curbside for you, and you can build a catapult with it. And I'm gonna just go through the directions really quickly for people who would rather watch. Some of us learn better by watching and looking than reading. So the directions are all written out here. If you want to do it that way, you're welcome to it. Otherwise, you can watch me and do it with me. So the only other thing you will need for this is some glue. It's not included in your little baggie because your paper with your directions and your target came with a little baggie. So you dump everything out. Try not to eat your marshmallows right away, otherwise you won't have anything to shoot at your target. All right, our first job. Well, if you want, you can color these. So if you wanted to color them or paint them or draw on them with markers or whatever you wanted to do, I'd recommend doing it before you build it and letting them dry a little bit. But since this is rubber bands, you could always take it apart and do it again later. But just, if you want to take them apart later, don't rubber band them together while the paint's wet. How about that? Okay, we'll start with two. Take one of your rubber bands and rubber band one end of them together pretty tightly. Good luck. I am apparently having trouble with this one. There we go. Nice and tight so we make kind of an alligator mouth like this. There we go. We're starting to build some force because you can see the rubber bands wants to hold them together. So then we'll take our other 8 popsicle sticks, stack them up, and then rubber band the two ends of these together. So they don't have to be quite as tight as the other one because they just need to stay together. Okay, so you got your cross piece and you got your alligator mouth. You want to open your alligator mouth and shove your cross piece down. Which doesn't sound very nice when we think about that being an alligator, huh? So that you have kind of a cross or an X like this. And that's how we're going to start to get some force because these are being held together by the rubber band tight, and this is wedging these other two open. So we have a little bit of tension on this other end. So take a rubber band, and this one's a little trickier, and you want a rubber band kind of an X through here to hold them together. It's harder than the other way. There's an X there. It's not really an X on the other side, as long as they're held together. Right there, nice and tight. All right, here's where you take your glue. And you're gonna glue on the end. Get some glue on there. And stick it on the end of your top, whatever part you want to be the top. That's where we're gonna put our marshmallow in here to fling it. Put it in there pretty tight. And I like to pull mine down a little bit so that I have this to put my fingers on, like my fingernails, when I want to fling it, which I'm not going to do now because the glue isn't dry. So if I did it now, I would just fling my bottle cap. But you can put it all the way to the end if you want. The farther you pull it out, the more force it has. But I like to have something strong to hold on to, so I'm going to leave a little tip up there. Then we have to let it dry, but that's the whole deal. So there it is. Then, when it's dry, you can put your marshmallow in there, hang your target up on the wall, and point and shoot. Mine's not going to stay. You get the basic idea. Take it and fling it over. Whoa, it's way off on my aim, but I can practice. All right, have fun with your catapult. Take it apart, put it back together, color it, do whatever you want. I bet you there are other things in your house you can fling around, like little Legos or pom-poms or all kinds of fun stuff. See if you can shoot marshmallows into one of your siblings' mouths. That sounds really fun, except they're going to eat your marshmallows. So choose wisely. All right, hope to see you soon at the library.